Gotta keep the show going now.
We're going to go from Nelly to hair.
Well, right, just a natural transition here.
Yes.
Yes. Our next guest, I know, this is what you guys do. It's all about growing that confidence and helping people feel their best. Thank you so much for being here. We have Darren Andrews. Hi, Darren.
Welcome, Darren.
Hey, welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for being
Sorry,
on the
we
show
were just
today.
fanning over Nelly over
Quite
there.
a segue there.
Yeah.
Right? Sure is, yeah.
no pressure, he says. Darren, tell us a little bit about how you became the largest hair restoration clinic in the Midwest.
Yeah, so 16 years in business, and you know, we're passionate about what we do. A lot of us have had something done, so our drive has always been to find the best technology and the best results, and it's been great helping people. I've been through a procedure myself, so we love what we do.
Yeah, well, I'm looking at your hair thinking, this looks really nice. So talk to us about that procedure.
Yeah, so I had what's called multi-unit hair grafting, which is our trademark procedure. So that's really a differentiator with what we do. One of the only places in the country that actually does that technology. So had it done 16 years ago.
Look at that.
That's me. So obviously
That
the
is
hair,
awesome.
hair color's changed a little bit, but so the frontal hairline was in place. The transplants are permanent, natural. And the multi-unit hair grafting is just one of the procedures. We also have some robotic technology called the ARTAS robot, which is one of only 2 places in the entire country to offer those 2 technologies. So very fortunate with what we do.
The white hair looks fabulous on you.
You're rocking it.
Really
Thank
makes
you.
the eyes
I'm
pop, Darren.
kind of stuck with it now. So
Okay.
I mean, I'm in good company, right?
Right?
Hey, man, I got it around the temples. We got some good hair here.
Great hair all around.
Right.
We want to talk about the fact that people travel from all over the world to come to you guys. And I can't go without acknowledging your amazing accent. I'm sure everybody here says
Thank
we
you.
love it because
Thank you.
it's
Thank you.
fabulous. Where are you from?
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Okay.
So,
Kiwi.
yeah, Kiwi.
All
Yeah.
right, man.
Yeah.
16 years now, so
That's
still got a
incredible.
little bit of it, obviously.
Oh, no, keep
Oh,
it.
don't ever lose it. Yeah, so people come from all over the world.
Yeah,
really,
they
to
do,
see
and I
this.
think the website We Grow Hair Into, there's lots of video and content on there. So as our results have just flourished over time, we do a lot of pretty high-profile people now, and the word's getting out. We have virtual consultations, in-person consultations, so people from all over the country, all over the world now. So it's exciting.
Yeah, including a JMV.
Yep, from 1070 The Fan. So with JMV, we did his crown area. This is actually the ARTAS robot on video right now. So that's the robotic, one of only 2 places in the entire country to offer the multi-unit hair grafting, which is what I had done, and the ARTAS robotic FUE. So unparalleled accuracy and reproducibility with that robot.
Darren, how long would this procedure take? From start, like coming in, getting inspected to it's done?
Yeah, so it all starts with that evaluation, right? Everybody's different. So that free private evaluation is step number 1. The procedures are all done in the clinic. So typically you're in the clinic for about 5 hours, and that's JMV. Yeah, so we did his crown area a number of years ago, and he's done great. So the transplant is genetically permanent. So when you take it from the back and move it to the top, it maintains that permanency. So you've also got non-transplanted hair, so we do things to keep that as well. Rick DeMulling, former professional football player, of course, same transplant type I had done, multi-unit hair grafting, so permanent natural results.
I know, and we're about to hear from somebody as well.
Yeah, right, Alex Fortes, so former professional golfer from Louisville, so again, one of the guys from out of state.
All right, let's
hear
listen to him.
This is me. This is my full head of hair, you know? Like, I don't have this freaky hairline that I was, you know, yes, I'd be able to look a bit better like that. I'd be able to cover it a bit better. But, you know, with the hairline, it's natural. It looks good. I love it. And I had, like, spots on my head like that, you know. There's a vast difference there, right? A huge difference. But it's such a difference, and it's done so well that I don't think about it anymore.
It can be such a boost in confidence with this kind of procedure.
Yeah, and it's such a personal thing, right? I think as a guy, it's hard to talk about it for a lot of guys, but, you know, getting out and actually saying, hey, it's something that I'm not ashamed of, I can fix it. And Alex was a great example of that. So there's so many different types of hair loss. There's general thinning, there's receding, there's crown areas, there's hairlines. So we do it all, and not everyone needs a hair transplant. So some people just want to maintain their hair, and we offer every available solution for that.
We Grow Hair Indie, one of our incredible sponsors. Thank you so much. And I know this could be a perfect time to give this gift, maybe to a loved one, maybe throughout the holidays, give a gift to yourself, and it couldn't be a better time for it.
Right, yeah. And the hair after a transplant takes a few months to grow, so it's a good time to get the procedure done. Be ready for the summer, looking and feeling your best. So go to the website at wegrowhairindy.com or call 888-724-5129 and set up that free private evaluation.
Awesome.
Darren, thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, let's take a look at a word from our friends at WickerWorks.